Hey, and welcome to Alpha. I'm now going to trade a little manually here at Pocket Option, and I will show you my Unicode strategy that I'm using for this broker. You can also follow my trades and trade together with me where I'm sharing my screen. If that's something you would like to do, make sure you join with the link you see up here right now. Also, when you join with this broker, you get 50% extra on your deposit. It's included in the link, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on this bell notification so you never lose a video from me, and also make a comment below the video if you have any question at all. I will now start to look for some trades. I will explain along the way, and let's see what we can find in this trading session. So now let's see what we can find here in the market. I have a very specific way I'm trading, so I'm trading in support and resistance. And if I have a losing trade, yes, I will hedge. Now let's see, I see something here right away. I will, if we can come down a little more, there, I like it. We are in the bottom. And now let's see, this one I feel quite comfortable, will be a winning trade. Now he's choose to go down, so I will take one more down there. I don't think we will lose both of these two. Probably win both, let's see. Now we just need to wait and see how this will play out for us. We lost the first, but the second, that was the second line of defense we had down here. I feel quite comfortable with that one. So out of the bat we lost $4, but we will take one more down there. Let's see if it can come down again. There, we are in. Now let's wait and see. Then we will make some profit here. Now let's see. This turns out to be a profit trade, looks like. We need to wait till the timer says 0, of course. How did that turn out? We won it. Perfect. We will take one more down here, because we see this region is strong, and I believe we'll go up from here. So we are really trading hard on this support line down here, because the market should go up, because we see this area is strong, and he just played around there. So there we got one more beautiful trade. And there, just like that, we made another winning trade. So that's how easy we can trade this market. We'll now bring up this good old calculator and see how much profit we made from this, just trading the line down there. So we have made $138 till now. Let's see if we can make some more. Let's take one more there. We are down there again. So now let's see if we can print some more money. I want to take 2 positions actually. Let's take one more there. Now let's see. All this should be winners. Now we just need to wait and see how this plays out. There, now they are in profit. We take beautiful trades in the support area again. And there we got 1, there we got 2, and there we got 3. So then our profit is basically $276. So you see how easy this is. We can do this all day long. Let's go down here again. We take one there. This time I will just take one. Just wait and see. Basically there, another winning trade. So another $46. let's see, I will not calculate it before I win, of course, but just like let's see, there we won another $46. So there we have a profit of $322 just trading this beautiful support line down here. So want to trade together with me, make money together with me? Like you can see here in closer trades, just look this win rate. If you want something like that, make sure you join me and we can make some money together, okay? So just use the link you find below. It's alpha1signals.com. You find link below and you can trade together with me. So I see you there.